What is going on, peeps? Man, there's some exciting stuff happening with these stocks that I have been monitoring. These are the ones that we've been going over. I've actually added one other one. But remember, what I'm doing is, you'll see here in a second. Let's get past this first page, and then I'll explain it to you. But first, I got to go through and make my disclaimer. Sorry about that. That's what I got to do. All right, so I am not an attorney, a tax advisor, or a financial advisor. Please consult with the real professionals. The following is my opinion and my opinion only based on my own research. I will share the information that I find with you and will encourage you to read or listen to the information so that you can form your own opinion. Okay, you guys? So anyways, look, at first I was starting to do this stock watch every day, but nah, because the stocks go up and down too crazy, and especially nowadays, we're definitely in this weird roller coaster of times, but I'm going to show you something interesting. All right, just a reminder, I have Pimpy's investment chat. It is the same name as my YouTube channel. I will leave a link to it in the description. Also, a lot of you have been joining Coinbase and grabbing cryptocurrencies. So thank you for that. All right. So for those of you who are interested in cryptocurrencies, especially after what I show you, then please follow the link in the description. It will take you to Coinbase. And on Coinbase, you will see that following the link, you'll get 10 free dollars. But also, once you're aboard with Coinbase, if you scroll on down, you will see a place where you can earn up to about $150 or $160 worth of free cryptocurrencies. All right, so let's kind of get into what's going on here. Now I'm going to do this little side-by-side thing so you guys can see what is going on. Now here's these stocks, okay? And all I said was I have my reasons for choosing them. This is the one that I just recently added. Thank you, Lisa, in our group. She mentioned it. So look, here was the original values as of 4/21. So what's today? The 27th? So about 6 days ago. It's not really been a month, if you know what I mean. So, if you look at the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, it's about 6 days. And at the time, these were the original values right here, okay? And then what I said is, look, I was just hypothetically saying, let's pretend like you had put $10,000 in each one of those. Yes, it's $150,000. And here's the numbers of shares you would have had you originally did the 10,000 when I first told you. But then what I do is I go through here and I plug in the current values, all right? The current values. And then what I do is it will show you what your holdings are right here. And then the difference from what you originally paid to where you are now. You see this? 12%. You would have, after your 150,000, you would have earned already 12% had you followed the suggestions that I made on the different stocks and cryptocurrencies, all right? So let's take a look at what some of these are. Let me just scoot this over just a little bit so we can get it all on one screen here. Give me just a second, because I want to be able to look at it. Yes, you guys calm down. Let's scoot this one over so everybody can see. And then I'm going to widen this one out just a little bit. Yes, here we are. Well, I'm going to have to do it that wide, but let's just take a look at this, okay? Okay, remember I was telling you guys about the two Vegas ones, MGM and Wynn. What did I tell you when we were looking at them? I took a look at 1 year's worth of average for each one of these stocks and told you that they were drastically below their average value. Okay, and already look at them go up. Let's take a look at this real quick. So here's the Win. When I first told you guys about it, the shares were selling at $70.40 a share. Look at them. They're up $82.77 a share right now. That's $12.77 a share that it increased, all right? I told you guys once we start going out of quarantine, 14 states have already gotten out of quarantine and more are going to happen. People are going to run back over to MGM. I mean, not the MGM, but into Vegas, okay? So let's take a look at MGM as a matter of fact. I told you when it was $13.19 if you'd have jumped on it. It's $15.23, man. It's not as big of a jump as Wynn here. Wynn took a pretty good sized jump, all right? So if you look at Wynn, just in his 6 days, how you'd have made $1,757. And if you look at MGM, well, you'd have made 1,546.63. That's not too shabby, I don't think. Okay, so look at Bitcoin. Even though it's showing you red here, they have all cryptocurrencies have been growing. When I first talked about it on the 21st, you could buy a Bitcoin for $6,880, all right? Right now it's at $7,762.85. Well, just in 6 days, you'd have made $1,282.69. That's not too shabby. Now, this is Lisa's choice. I did like it, and I wish I would have jumped on it earlier. Now I'm just bandwagoning. Okay, so look, when she first talked about this, we'll say on the 21st, you could buy these shares at $17.06. We're at $19.12 right now. It has made $1,207.05 in just 1 week. Again, not too shabby. Okay, so look at, let me just come over here and scroll down a little bit more so we can all see them. So where we at with AG. So here's AG, which is First Mystic Silver. I first told you about it. They were selling for $7.53. It didn't go up much, but it says $7.77. You'd have made at least $318 off of it. EXK, which is Endeavor. Endeavor, when I told you about it, was selling at $1.45. It is now at $1.55. Still not a big jump, but enough that if you put $10,000 on it, you would have made $689.66. That's not too shabby for 1 week's worth of work. And I know some of you guys are probably used to making way more money than that, okay? But I'm just saying it's not bad for, considering these are just ones I told you guys to keep an eye watch on. Discovery Metals. When I told you about it was at, 31 cents. And right now it's at 34.5 cents. So in just the 6 days, you'd have made $1,029.08. That's still not too shabby. That's not bad for 1 week's worth of work. All right, so what's under, what is this? Discovery Metals. We got AXU. AXU is right here. Alexco Resources. When I first told you about it, they were at $1.48. It's now at $1.54. You'd have made $405.41 in just a week's time if you only put $10,000 into it. All right, Meg. What's next? Didn't we just do Meg? But just in case we didn't, when I told you about it, Meg was at $9.87. It is now at $11.64. These are your silver and gold stocks to watch on. Okay, you'd have made $1,793.31 with a $10,000 investment had you done it back on the 21st. Okay, so it's under Meg. Silver is here. If you'd have done it back then, $6.41. We're now at $6.90. You'd have made $764.43. I don't think that's too shabby at all for just 6 days worth of work. VNM, when I first told you about it, was $11.69. It is now at $12.25. You'd have made $479. See, but keep in mind, this is a mutual fund I'm talking about. I'm sure there would have been more than $10,000 on there. You know what I mean? So, it's the one it's the only mutual fund that I'm aware of that covers Vietnam. So I do think it's got a bright future in front of it. Okay, we did go over to MGM. We did not go over WTI. When I first told you about WTI, I told you it's not going to stay there. It was at $2.11. Where is it now? $2.58. It doesn't sound like a lot. It went up 47 cents. But had you put that $10,000 into it, you'd have made $2,227.49 in just 6 days. Okay? That is not too shabby whatsoever. But that's not even my big winners, all right? Let's see what else do we got going on here. Let's get into cryptocurrencies really quick. All right, although you see them in the red right now, they still have gone up since I told you about them on the 21st. Let's see where we are. And now, had you bought XRP when they were 18 cents, right now they're at, it actually says 0.1966. Okay, so you'd have made $638.53 had you put $10,000 on XRP. But look at this one, XLM, huh? XLM, if you'd have bought it when I told you, it was 5 cents. Right now it's at $6.75. So I have it up here at $6.76. Let's just, 0675. There we go. So you'd have made $3,056 had you put $10,000 on XLM when I told you to. Look at it, still green. It's still climbing. All right, even though the other ones are red. Ethereum, when I told you about Ethereum, well, when I first told everybody, it was actually at $1 or $142. But since the 21st, it's at $173. It's now at $195.24. You'd have made $1,258.87. So all in all, what I would have made you if you'd invested your $150,000 in just 6 days, you'd have made $18,454. That's 12% on your investment. That's not too shabby for, 6 days worth of work. Now, again, keep in mind, the reason why we're not going to report this every day is because these markets have been going crazy up and down. So we'll do them like every other day during the week. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, not on the weekends. But what do you guys think? Okay, leave a thumbs up if you like that. That's a pretty good return. It's fun to keep an eye on these. Let's see how they continue to do. But I know I'm right about these stocks. There's no way around this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to look into adding more Vegas stocks. So not too bad. If you look at the win, that's a hell of a jump. Look at MGM. Those are pretty good jumps if you ask me. Here they are, MGM, as well as WTI. Just between the three of them, look at that. You're looking at, what's that, almost $6,000. And just, had you put $30,000, you made about $6,000. It's not too shabby for just 6 days worth of work. What do you guys think? All right, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. I just thought I would share this with you. It's our weekly, or I should say our stock watch. We'll do it on Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and see how we perform. All right, you guys? All right, I hope you guys like this. Look, it's not that we all got $150,000, but heck, man, even if you had $15,000, you'd have made $1,845. I'll take that, man. You know what I mean? These are just things that people can keep an eye on. I do think it's a big shift in monies. You can just keep adding to it, and hopefully over time, you'll be able to reap your rewards. So let's see how this performs. I think there is a point where I'll tell you guys, I'm done and I'll sell. That's just my opinion. If I think we get to a point, especially like MGM and win, I don't think they'll just get to where they need to get to. And then I'm going to jump off them bandwagon, but let's see how we do in that short period of time. Nathan said, I'm not encouraging day trading. Nathan calls me more of a momentum trader, all right? So it's not day trading. This is not what I'm encouraging. And some of these I'm not even encouraging long term. I'm just saying there's a window of opportunity in which we could jump on these bad boys and make some money off of them. And you have to admit, on $150,000 in just 6 days, making almost $18,500 in 6 days is not too much. And yeah, I'm sure you guys got stories where you guys made a ton of money in a shorter period of time. But I'm just saying, on average, that's not too bad at all for an average Joe. All right, you guys? All right, then leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I appreciate you guys checking in. Bye-bye.